Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website called ClickaSnap, and maybe you're wondering, is this legit? Can you really make money from this site? Do they really pay 90 cents for every view that you get just uploading photos, or is this, a waste of time, right? Let's check it out, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to earn income online, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, are big waste of time. So let's check out ClickaSnap to find out whether this is a really good way to generate more money online, or are there better methods out there, right? Now, ClickaSnap is a photography website where you can upload a lot of different types of photos, right? And if you get people to view your photos for more than 5 seconds, then they will actually pay you for those views. It's very, very interesting, okay? Now, the thing about this website is you can join for free. And you can join from pretty much anywhere in the world except for 3 countries. So unfortunately, they're not available in India, Pakistan, or Egypt, okay? They don't say why, but unfortunately, they're just not available in these 3 countries. But any other country, you can just click sign up here and you'll basically be redirected, and all you need is your username, your password, and your email to sign up for this, okay? Now, here's how it works. Once you're actually logged in, and they'll ask you for a few details like your photo and your bio and things like that, pretty standard stuff, right? What you can do is you can upload photos, okay? And you can add images to their system. And what happens is these images get displayed internally within the system, right? And when somebody views your photo and they view it for more than 5 seconds, you can potentially generate money for every single photo that you that people watch, okay, or they're looking at. Now, I'm going to talk about how much money you can really make, okay, and whether this makes sense or not. All right. Now, once you upload enough photos and enough people are looking at your photos, you can actually withdraw money into your PayPal account. That's the only way that they pay, but your payment must reach $15. So $15 is the threshold for ClickaSnap for them to actually pay you out some money. All right, so sounds pretty good, right? I mean, it sounds like a pretty good website. Now, there are certain things that you have to understand when it comes to uploading your photos, okay? And there's a really great FAQ section which we'll check out in a second. But what you have to understand is there's a few different things that you have to get right. So number one, you have to upload your own photos. You can't copy somebody else. You can't use something called click circles, right? You have to make sure that they are 100% your own photos. They're not coming from stock websites or anything like that. You can use some AI, but you must be upgraded, and I'll show you the upgrade packages in a second, right? You can't use somebody else's photo, so you can't use Creative Commons or anything like that. They have to be uniquely your own photos. That's the main thing, right? So the important thing to understand is if you want to really make money through ClickaSnap, make sure that you're doing this the right way. It's about quality, right? Don't try and cheat the system, because as soon as you start cheating and you start copying other people's photos, or you re-upload duplicates and things like that, you will get in trouble with ClickaSnap, and they're not going to pay you for the views, right? So their system is pretty advanced. They've got an algorithm that can check all this stuff. So look, if you want to earn with them, just make sure you upload it in the correct way. All right. Now, the other thing that you have to understand as well is how you really get paid with this, okay? So as soon as you log into the system, they will basically show you a way for you to upgrade, because this is how they actually make money, all right? They sell photos as well, but they make a little bit of money from memberships, okay? Now, you can join this for free. All right, but if you join for free, then you will have a limited amount of uploads that you can upload, which means that you have less of a chance of getting your photographs viewed, okay? And you make much less than being an actual paid subscriber, all right? So with the Upload Plus, it's $3 or £3 per month, right? Which is not much if you really think about it, £3 per month. And you can make here, it says 0.7 cents for every single paid view. All right. Now, a paid view is, again, I mentioned this earlier, when somebody actually looks at your photo for more than 5 seconds. So if somebody just glances at your photo, that's not considered a paid view, right? A paid view is when somebody is really, engaged by your image. It draws them in and they're looking at it for more than 5 seconds, right? And the important thing to understand here is this is not 70 cents, okay? And this is where the confusion lies. And this is why a lot of people think that they can make a lot of money with ClickaSnap, right? This is not 70 cents. This is 0.7 cents, which means it's less than 1 cent. Okay, you have to understand that, right? So with a free account, the limitations are you have limited uploads, and it's something like 20 uploads within a certain period of time. So it's not that many, okay? And also the paid view, it goes as low as 0.1 cent, which means that you would have to get 10 paid views to earn 1 cent. So having a free account with ClickaSnap, yes, you can make money, but it's extremely little. It'll be very, very, very difficult for you to earn anything big, okay? So that's the Upload Plus. You get it. Your paid views are 0.7 cents. Remember, this is less than 1 cent, okay? Sorry, it's less than... Yes, it's less than 1 cent, correct, right? Now you can also do the seller one where it's 0.8 cents for every paid view, unlimited uploads. You can also sell your photos as a product, okay, and you can link your social media account. That's £5 per month. And the Pro is 0.9 cents, all right, for every single paid view. And again, all the features from the previous plans, so unlimited uploads, but also sometimes your photos get features on the front page, which gives you more exposure. Okay, unlimited cloud storage, no ads, things like that, £7 per month. All right, so this might be a good option, but you have to understand that you have to generate enough paid views in order for you to even cover your £7 a month. Does that make sense? And we'll talk about how many views you have to actually get with this so that you can really understand how this works. Okay, so we're going to dive into the FAQ. And it says here, what do you mean by a paid per view? Okay, so when someone looks at your photo, you will see it recorded as a view or a paid view. Okay, so views don't get paid, only a paid view gets paid. Okay, now a paid view, again, is when somebody watches your photo for more than 5 seconds. All right, that's when it becomes a paid view. And then it also says here, when your photo has received a paid view, you earn anywhere from 0.1 cent to 0.9 cent USD, depending on your membership level. 100 views will earn you 90 cents. That means that if you want to earn $9, you have to get 1,000 views, 1,000 paid views. Okay, now that's quite difficult. It might sound like very little, right? Because you're thinking this is a huge network. You can just come here, upload your photos, and a lot of people are going to see your stuff. But the reality is that there are a lot of people uploading their photos on this platform. And look at this, right? They've got 1 million plus members. 2 million images viewed per day. That's true. But remember that your photos are going to be buried in their millions and millions and millions of photos. Does that make sense, right? So there are millions of members uploading photos every single day. So the chances that your photos are actually going to stand out, especially if you have a free account, is very, very slim. All right, you might get some views, but in order for you to even get paid out, remember that the withdrawal, okay, is $15. Okay, so you have to earn at least $15 to get a payout. Now that's going to take some patience, it's going to take a long time, and you're going to have to consistently upload photos. And if you have a free account, you get a limited amount of photos that you can upload. So if you really want to do this correctly, it does make sense to upgrade to one of the packages. Okay, either Upload Plus, Seller, or Pro. All right, but then you have to also understand that you have to at least cover your £7 per month. Otherwise, it doesn't really make sense to do this. And you have to be someone that takes a lot of photos, a lot of good photos, and make sure that you're uploading, consistently. Now, I think the Pro package gives you the best chance of making, some small money, right? Because you get featured on the front page, which definitely helps to give you attention, right? But also, they also talk very heavily about you having to do your own promotions, you promoting your account, you promoting your photos, so people, in social media, in your sphere of influence, can actually see your stuff. Maybe you even have YouTube videos and social media posts and stuff like that. You can drive people back to your photos, and the more you do promotions of your stuff, the more views that you'll get, and then hopefully you can get paid a little bit more, right? So the big confusion with this is that it's not that you can't make money with ClickaSnap. You can. I think you can make a little bit of money with this, but this is very misleading because this looks like it's 90 cents per view when it's actually 0.9 cents. So it's less than 1 cent a view, and to actually earn this, you have to be upgraded to their Pro package, which costs £7 per month. Okay, so please understand that, right? So even at the Pro package, and you're earning just under 0.1 cent, okay, so less than 1 cent, just under 1 cent for a view, it's going to take you 1,000 views on your photos, paid views, all right, to actually earn $9. Now, to rack up 1,000 paid views is going to take some time. It's going to take a little bit of work, all right? So the big question is this actually a good way to make money online? I think that, look, if you're already a photographer or you're somebody who is passionate about taking photos, you've got a ton of photos, right? And maybe you even have a good social media following where you can actually promote your your photographs on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, and you already have a little bit of a following, then this might be a cool way to earn a little bit of money from people actually viewing your stuff. But really, you're not making that much money for a paid view. Now, if you're somebody that doesn't have a following, you're not really a photographer, and you're relying 100% on the ClickaSnap system, then you're probably not going to make that much money, because remember, they've got a lot of members here. Everybody is uploading a lot of photos, and your photos are going to be buried in their system. Okay, think about it, right? If somebody comes to ClickaSnap, the chances of them seeing your photos out of the millions and millions of photos that they have is quite slim. Excuse me, because they have a limited amount of space that they're actually showing on their platform, right? So the chances that your photo will pop up and someone will see it and view it for more than 5 seconds is actually quite slim. So can you make money with this? Yes, you can. I think if you're active enough, if you upgrade to the right the right level, but you're going to have to be super active, right? You have to be a little bit lucky, and I think that it helps if you have external promotions where you can promote it on social media so people can come and see your photos, and then you can make a little bit of money. And also, you're not making that much. Even again, at the pro level, you're making 0.9 cents, which is less than 1 cent per paid view, right? Please remember that. It's not 90 cents, okay? It's less than 0.1 cent. It's less than 1 cent for every paid view. So you just have to understand that before actually getting into this. All right, so that's ClickaSnap. If you want to check it out right here, ClickaSnap.com, and you can check it out and start uploading photos to make a little bit of money if you would like. All right, now if you're watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to make money online. Now remember, on this channel I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of strategies to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, but out of all of the good strategies, my favorite way to generate income online, and I use this strategy to quit my full-time job in 2019, is a very specific strategy. If you would like to check it out, just click the link below and I'll share with that strategy with you for free in a free masterclass. You could check it out if you would like to. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of ClickaSnap. I wish you all the best, and I will see you on another money making video review. Take care.